girls, parents and friends. Mrs.Smith was getting ready to shave and something just came and hit me in my head. It must have been an idea. It was how I can use simple shaving cream to create an Easter egg without eggs. A colorful Easter egg without eggs. Just watch. Now first we're going to need to make 4 eggs. So we need to draw 4 ovals. Now I practice round and around until I can feel and see that oval appear right before my eyes. And then once I put my marker down or pencil down, I keep my eye on the beginning so I can hit it every single time. That was 2. Now we're going a little bit faster. That's 3. And that's 4. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to carefully try to cut on the line because I don't want to have any black lines showing on my beautiful, beautiful shaving cream Easter eggs. Now this is a project that I came up with. I was doing a little experimenting one day and I was like, wow, this really transfers excellently to paper and we can really come up with some interesting designs. So now I'm going to take my shaving cream, shake it up real good. I got a little food tray that I'm putting it on, then I'm going to smooth it out. Now you don't need anything too deep, you don't need a whole lot. I just put enough down here so that I could pull out several different eggs. I make my eggs kind of big. You can make your eggs smaller too. Now to get my color, I'm using food coloring. Food coloring that you can get at the supermarket. Very simple. Now you're going to see that I also threw some paint in here. You don't necessarily need paint. You can do everything with the food coloring. And I want everybody to say thank you to my wife because she came up with some ideas of how if you don't have food coloring and there's no way for you to get to the store, that you might have some foods and spices in your house that you can use. Alright, now I'm using my first one. You press it down, you peel it back after you press it down, and then you put it to the side. Then later on we're going to squeegee the shaving cream off of it, and you're going to see that the color sticks to the paper. Doesn't that look fantastic? I'm going to tell you, when I was a kid, we used to go to the circus and the zoo. Well, they used to have these balloons. My father never bought me one, but they were balloons and they had the same kind of colors on here. Oh, I just love these. They're fantastic. You put your paper, press it down hard so you get some of the foam squirting out on the side. Then pick it back up and you won't believe all the fantastic designs and colors that are left on this paper. Now this last one I'm putting a couple extra drops, trying to make this one real special since it's the last one we're going to do. I'll push it down. It's alright. I got a little bit on the back. That doesn't matter. Whoa! That is fantastic. Now I could do a lot more if I want. But now I'm going to take my squeegee, and if you don't have a squeegee, all you need is a piece of cardboard, a piece of straight cardboard, and you can simply just wipe the stuff off. And even if you lay it down, it evaporates after a while. Isn't that fantastic? Oh my goodness, I just love this project. This round thing I call Lazy Susan. It gives me the ability to move things around, and it's very easy to work with, and it wipes off very clean. Shaving cream wipes off very clean. Alright, I think, oh, one more left. Ooh, that is beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. I think that's the best one yet. I just love this project. All 4 are done. They almost, if I had canvas and they were on canvas, I would say these are fantastic paintings. but they are my Easter eggs without eggs, using shaving cream, stuff I had in the house. If not, look in the description. You'll see Mrs. Smith's, my wife, her ideas on things you might have in a home that you can use instead of the food coloring. This is an excellent project. Don't have to use eggs. You can have fun making Easter eggs with paper, food coloring, and shaving cream. I had a blast. This was so much fun. I think I'm going to try it again. So while I'm doing that, I just want to tell everybody, have a very happy Easter.